Mr. Ambassador, thank you for your time. If you can tell me the general purpose about this conference.
Well, as you know, South Africa is one of those global players in mining, and therefore we're interested in following events in Eritrea. We've got a number of key South African companies in Eritrea. The main engineering operational company, which is operating at the Bisha mine, Senet, has been active here for a number of years, and they've shown that it's possible to find Eritrea as a lucrative mining location. That was followed last year by another company, BME Mining, also now have brought their engineers here to share with Eritrean mining companies some of South Africa's technology in blasting, which is required, the type of additives and chemicals. Also, I'm pleased to see a number of other South African companies like Mintech have been utilized by companies like Andiamo, the Eritrean-based company, for some of the studies as well. So there's a definite interest. Another offshoot of Eritrea's growth in mining is a number of South African companies have shown interest in building the camps for the mining sites itself. So about a month ago, we had a very well-known South African company, Group 5, over here. So I'm glad that I've attended this conference. It gives us the bigger picture. So when we, as the Embassy of South Africa in Asmara, are consulted, we're able to give a more informed perspective. And as we speak, this week also, we have the South African Breweries company here. So I think the interest of these companies show that there is a very fertile, lucrative area, more so in the case that Eritrea is a young, evolving, developing country. As the Embassy of South Africa, we find that we have to provide this advice to our companies, especially so that we are the only sub-Saharan embassy here. And given the very healthy political relations between Eritrea and South Africa, we've now taken our relationship to another level of economic projects as I've developed. Another area which will tie in with mining as well is when people come and work here, they also want to enjoy the beauty, the tourism potential. We've had a South African company and they've been given the permission to go and visit these islands, and they are now developing a proposal for scuba diving. So that's another interesting and exciting proposal which is evolving. And so far, we've found a lot of joy working with Eritrean companies. We know, like all young emerging countries have their limitations, but the feedback we're getting from our South African companies like Senet, BME, they've been happy with the mining law and the circumstances under which they're operating with the Eritrean Ministry of Mining and their counterparts.